You read that right. Your friends are making you losers. You want to know why? Because your friends are losers. They're probably fat, they're overweight, they still live with mommy and daddy, all they do is play video games, they get drunk every weekend, they're always drugged up. They're not lying to you when people tell you that you become the average of the men that you hang around with. You will get motivated by those habits and you yourself will become a loser. Yo, I am now 27. I can't tell you how many of those dudes from high school stayed in the exact, it's crazy. Like when you really see like that they're following this life path, they will not deviate from it. Even to this day, you look at some of those guys, they are doing the exact same things, barely surviving in life, taking like a mediocre base level paid job just so they can get by and survive, basically buying food with no ambition and no drive to do something better. They are losers. And when you hang around people like that, they will bring you down every time they can, because anytime that you try to deviate from that, number two, they're going to bring you right back. Why? They'll make fun of you for anything new you try, right? You try to dress better, they'll make fun of you. You try to take care of yourself in some way, shape, or form, they'll make fun of you. Maybe you try to read more or go to school more so you can get better grades, they'll make fun of you. Maybe you try harder at work or you're working 2 jobs, oh, they'll make fun of you. Anytime they see that you might be leveling up in one area of your life, they'll make fun of you. Why? Because they want to bring you right back down to their misery. And this is the reality. This is why so many guys, it's so hard for them to change their physical appearance, because you're thinking, oh, what are my friends are going to say? What is my family going to say? They're going to say I'm trying too hard. This is why so many people have fear of self-improvement. Those same losers are bringing you down. So if this is the case with you, keep it easy, bro. Start slow. Start with your grooming, for example. See, grooming is one of those areas where you can start leveling up yourself, how you look, how you feel, without actually changing your entire wardrobe. It's not this big change. Most of the time, it starts with your shower. You take a good shower with the right products, your skin will be healthier, your hair will be healthier, and you can step out smelling amazing. That was my goal with our He Grooming Shower Bundle. Our He Shower Bundle is designed for those men that want to take a level up to their morning shower routine, and every time they step out, they smell amazing. For example, our body wash has regenerative properties, so your skin is softer and more hydrated than ever. Our shampoo and conditioner are infused with tea tree oil and biotin to not only nourish your hair, but also strengthen it to make it thicker. Yo, I'm thinking about everything. And then I add specific fragrance oils that I import from France and Italy, which are not cheap. So every time you shower with those 3 products, you step out smelling like a high-end perfume. Look, boys, I want you to check out our He Grooming Kit. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to do you a solid. Right now, you guys can click the link down below. You're going to get 40% off the shower bundle. This is only going to last 24 hours. So you can check it out for 40% off when you subscribe. And here's where it gets good. We're about to drop about 7 to 8 new He Grooming products in about 2-3 weeks. They're almost all here. When we do, and you're part of our subscription program, if you're already subscribed, you're good. If you subscribe today, this is the offer. You're going to get 1 free product out of those 7. So you can buy the rest. You're going to get early access to the rest. But because you're part of our subscription program, you're going to get 1 free item. Keep in mind, most of our He Grooming items are anywhere from like $50 to $100. It's going to be completely free for you. And you're going to get early access so you can buy whatever else you want in case it sells out. If you guys want to check out our He Shower Bundle and start leveling up how you take care of yourself, click that link down below. Number 3, your friends are needy, bro. If you are the group leader, run. Because there is no value you can take from them, and all they're doing is taking all the value from you. They need you for everything. Companionship, advice, constant support, shoot, even financial support. You are not in a group to raise kids, but instead you want to be in a group of like-minded men that are in a similar level, or shoot, maybe even above you, where you can learn and everybody can break bread together and grow at the same time. You do not want to be the group leader where everyone just depends on you. 4, most of them are backstabbers. Those are the same friends that constantly bring you down and badmouth you behind your back. They're also the type of dudes that will probably sleep with your girl if they had the chance. You don't really want to roll with dudes that way. Takes me to number 5. They're also flaky. It's always those dudes with last-minute cancellations. You can never count on them. They always have something else to do that's better, when in reality they're just too lazy to come out. They are unreliable. And remember, you become who you hang around with. The last thing you want to be as a man is unreliable. Number 6, they are stagnant. These are the types of toxic friends that never change their ways. They have zero ambition, zero goals, zero motivation. They are usually those happy, good where I'm at type of dude that have never graduated high school. They stayed in that mentality. They'll be 35 and still stuck in that mentality. You do not want to hang around those dudes.